Hey, how y'all doing? I went to Michael's today and got some beads to do jewelry. Chip beads. They have a buy 3, get 3. So I took advantage. So the reason why I came on today is because I saw a video on TikTok talking about supporting other businesses, especially businesses that do the same thing as you do. And it reminded me of my daughter asking me when I started making jewelry. She said, "Mommy, why do you buy jewelry if you make jewelry?" And I said, "Girl, it's simple. Your mama love jewelry." I like jewelry. I really do. I love jewelry. It just tells a story. It completes your outfit. Some people say it's shoes, but no, baby. It's your accessories. Hello, look at these earrings, okay? But no, seriously, I don't, find it an issue of supporting someone, especially if they're in the same business as you, because you understand it. You understand what they're going through. You understand when they're sourcing their beads and when they're putting things together and packaging and getting the right vendors. You understand that, right? So for me, I will buy from someone in my business because I'm not buying that. I'm not going to buy a whole strand of that to just get what you already made. You already made it. I don't have to go do it. Especially Homer clay. That is not my lane, y'all. That is not me. So if I see a pair of Homer clay earrings that I like, I'm buying them. Yeah, I make jewelry, but I ain't going to get that stuff. I'm not baking clay. I'm not doing it. Thank y'all for doing that. That's not me. Give me the beads, right? Give me the small beads, the big beads, string, stretchy, wire. I got it. That's me. That's my lane. I'm sticking to it. But yeah, I have no issue rooting for anybody. I root for everybody. I show my support whatever they do. I mean, I think that's how you're supposed to be in life. You're supposed to be supportive. Even if it's not a financial thing. Showing up. Sharing a post. Liking a post. Telling someone about that person. Wearing their product. Doing a review. Everything that you could possibly do that's free, or showing just a little bit of appreciation for the skill that they have. When I used to go to vendor events, and people were like, "Oh, you're right next to another jewelry person." "Oh, we're right next to each other." I'm like, okay. It doesn't bother me none, because we don't sell the same thing. We're different styles, and, I'm not in competition with you. And they'll always like, "Oh, you're my competitor." No, I'm no way, shape, or form your competitor. We all do things for different reasons. We do because I love it. That's my reason. And that I want to help people love what they wear and complete their outfits in a different, unique style. That's me. So, yeah. I like supporting other people, and you all should support other people too. No matter if they're in the same thing you're into or something different, show your support. Show up. Share a post. Do the good things. Do the free things if you can't do the financial things. So, yeah. Appreciate y'all. Love you. Bye.